Hello everyone, today we will look at who dares to be a millionaire problem of October 2015 CodeChef Long Challenge. The link to the problem is given in description. After reading the problem, you will find the question to be very much confusing, but the solution to the question is very much easier, simpler. So what are we supposed to do? Say we are given these two strings, we have to find the number of times the two indexes matches, that is your first character doesn't match with the second string, while the second, third and fourth matches. So total number of characters which matches between these two strings is 3, right? So what this tells us is that chef can have maximum 3 correct answers, right? But he can have 2 correct answers also. It depends on him, right? He knows the answer, still he would give the wrong answer. So for that he would be having this range. From this he will find the maximum, because this 0 tells us that the amount he will get if he gives 0 correct answers. This tells us that the amount he will get after getting 1 correct answer. Likewise, so he has a range of this many values. Out of this he will find the maximum, and depending upon that he will print. Here they have given us the two strings, right, in which these 3 matches while first and last character doesn't matches. So we have total correct answers as 3, right? So for that he will be having a scope of this many values. Out of this he will find the maximum, which is 30. So he will print 30. Answer for this is 30. And while suppose for the same strings, if the values are given like this, that is for 0 correct answers he will get 100, for 1 he will get 10, for 2 he will get 20, and for 3 and 4 it will be same. So now he will give 0 correct answers, right, because that will give him more money. Note that chef can purposely give wrong answer even if he knows the correct answer, just to maximize the profit. So he will give the wrong answer for the first turn only. So he will get the amount which is in front of 0 index, that is 100. That was the logic behind the problem. The question is formed very smartly. Many of the users tried to find the maximum sub array, continuous sub array, and printed that, which was not the case here. However, there is a tricky case in this problem. What if chef knows all the correct answers, like this one? He knows all the 5 correct answers, then, and the number of dollars given is this. Now here he has a scope of all these values. Out of this he will find maximum, that is 50, right? But here actually the scope is only 50. Why? Because if we for let's take this example here. Here for 0 correct answer he will get 100, but still he will get 50 only. Why? Because for getting 100 he has to give wrong answer for the first turn only, but he doesn't have any wrong answer, right? Here all are correct, so he can't give any of this. So the answer will be final, the last index value. Here is my code. We are taking input n and then scanning the 2 strings, and then we are scanning the values of array. This for loop is for counting the number of characters which matches between the two strings. Then we are making a variable max which will store the maximum value, and we are initializing it to the first element, and then we are finding the maximum among the array up till the count, and if the value is more than max, then we are making max equal to that value. But for this case, if count equal to n, that is the tricky case, we have to make max equal to the last number itself, and then we are printing max. That was the solution for second problem of CodeChef October 2015.